you guys want to spend a day with me, a day in the life, I'm gonna go to one of my favorite customers, Hercules. Now, if you need something, you know, carried around the country, man, that's in Canada too. Call Hercules, man, because they're Hercules. They got a guy up here working named Thor. I'm not even kidding. He's like 7 foot tall. Name's Thor, and he sounds like Mighty Mouse. Let's go shine up their logos for them. Day in the life. Been unloading trash for an hour. Trying to get a before shot of this upper part. I tried to hit it with some degreaser and a brush. Standing on my truck and just see where did I get I should have took a video before I parked there, but well, you can kind of tell. Another view. See what happens. Wasn't too bad. About an hour, 50, 60 bucks. Elbow grease. Not too bad. Scrub the top half on the truck and the bottom half off the ladder. I mean, all it really needed was good wiping. I scrubbed it with a brush. That's all he wants. Stuff I used, that, this is what rinse bucket, paper towels, 1 rag. I did that trailer with just that. I got an extra release, I got 8 PMs for us. See you there. Rod's set up. We're going home. It's already rained on us a couple times. We got them all done though, 8 inspections. Not a whole lot of money, but at least I'm earning. And I'm going home now. So it looks like I barely made it. There we go again. Ta-da! Ham and cheese. That's it. Pull that out of the way and grab that one. Yeah, I think 1 a day. Heat is on again already. I'm soaked from sweat. That was one of the real bad ones. Pretty good. Get it parked back over there. There's that one. So Power Lab called. They need a bunch of inspections done. I thought they were done and out of business. Hopefully that's good news. I'm gonna go find out. Check, see if I got any stickers first.